For millions of travelers, Italy begins with Rome's ancient monuments, Venice's canals, or the Renaissance treasures of Florence. These remarkable cities have earned their place among the world's greatest destinations. Yet beyond their famous skylines lies another Italy that many visitors never have the chance to experience. Away from the busiest tourist routes, the landscape unfolds in unexpected ways. Mountain ranges rise above alpine meadows, medieval villages cling to rocky hillsides, and quiet valleys stretch towards distant horizons beneath endless skies. Here, Italy reveals a slower rhythm shaped by nature, history, and centuries of tradition. The country's hidden beauty is not confined to one region. It appears in dramatic limestone mountains, rolling vineyard-covered hills, forgotten stone villages, and coastlines where the Mediterranean meets towering cliffs. Every region offers a different perspective on a nation whose greatest treasures often remain beyond the guidebooks. Our journey begins high above the valleys of central Italy at one of the country's most extraordinary hilltop settlements. Civita di Bagnoregio rises from a plateau of volcanic rock, appearing almost suspended above the surrounding landscape. From above, its isolation creates one of Italy's most unforgettable aerial views. Narrow stone streets weave between centuries-old buildings where flower-filled balconies and quiet courtyards preserve an atmosphere that feels remarkably unchanged. Every corner reveals another glimpse of medieval Italy, untouched by the pace of the modern world. Walking here feels less like sightseeing and more like stepping into another era. Surrounding the village, deep ravines carve dramatic patterns through the soft volcanic hills. From above, the landscape resembles an island of stone surrounded by a sea of green valleys and rugged cliffs. The contrast between the ancient settlement and the vast countryside makes the scenery especially striking. Morning light gradually illuminates the rooftops while long shadows stretch across the surrounding valleys. As mist lifts from the ravines below, the village appears to emerge from the landscape itself. It is a scene that rewards patience as much as exploration. Leaving the ancient hilltop behind, the journey continues into the heart of Tuscany. Here, the landscape becomes softer, wider, and instantly recognizable, yet beyond its famous vineyards lies a quieter countryside where nature and history exist in perfect balance. This is the timeless beauty of Val d'Orcia. Rolling hills extend towards the horizon in gentle waves of green and gold. Long ribbons of cypress trees follow winding country roads, connecting medieval villages that rise gracefully above the surrounding farmland. From the air, the landscape appears almost carefully painted rather than naturally formed. Every season transforms the valley in a different way. Spring blankets the fields with fresh green, summer brings warm golden tones, autumn fills the vineyards with rich color, and winter reveals a peaceful simplicity beneath soft morning mist. The scenery never truly stands still. Small stone villages crown many of the surrounding hills, their church towers and narrow streets overlooking the countryside below. Rather than dominating the landscape, they seem to belong to it completely. Generations of farming and careful stewardship have created a harmony that continues to define the region. The roads themselves have become part of Tuscany's identity. Curving gently across ridgelines before disappearing into distant valleys, they guide the eye through one spectacular panorama after another. Every journey becomes an invitation to slow down and simply appreciate the landscape. Our final destination rises dramatically above northern Italy where the scenery changes once again. The Dolomites introduce a landscape of towering limestone peaks, vast alpine meadows, and forests that stretch towards some of Europe's most spectacular mountain horizons. It is a world defined by scale. At the heart of this region lies Alpe di Siusi, Europe's largest high-altitude alpine meadow. Wide grasslands spread beneath jagged mountain walls while winding trails cross open fields filled with seasonal wildflowers. From above, The contrast between gentle meadows and towering cliffs creates breathtaking natural geometry. As clouds drift across the peaks, sunlight moves slowly across the landscape, constantly changing colors and revealing new perspectives. Every ridge, valley, and meadow seems to tell a different story depending on the time of day. The mountains themselves become the architects of light. Together, these remarkable landscapes reveal an Italy that exists beyond its famous cities. Ancient hilltop villages, rolling Tuscan valleys, and soaring alpine meadows demonstrate that the country's greatest beauty is often found where the crowds begin to disappear. It is an Italy best discovered through curiosity, patience, and a willingness to follow the quieter road. Leaving the soaring peaks of the Dolomites behind, the journey continues into the heart of the Apennine Mountains, where one of Italy's most extraordinary landscapes quietly changes with the seasons. High above the surrounding valleys lies Castelluccio di Norcia, a village perched on a vast mountain plateau that feels almost suspended between earth and sky. Its remote setting has preserved a peaceful atmosphere rarely found in more famous destinations. From above, the plateau stretches for kilometers in every direction beneath an endless horizon of rolling mountains. During late spring and early summer, fields burst into a remarkable display of color as wildflowers bloom across the landscape. Reds, blues, yellows, and violets create an ever-changing mosaic that transforms the entire valley into a living work of art. Even outside the flowering season, the scenery remains captivating. Golden grasslands ripple beneath the mountain wind while narrow country roads weave gracefully across the open plain before disappearing into the distant hills. The simplicity of the landscape allows its enormous scale to take center stage. The village itself appears almost timeless against this vast natural backdrop. Stone houses, quiet lanes, and panoramic viewpoints preserve the feeling of a community that has adapted to mountain life for generations. Every direction offers another sweeping view across one of Italy's highest inhabited plateaus. Our journey now turns south toward a very different landscape where mountains descend dramatically into the Mediterranean Sea. Maratea occupies one of Italy's most spectacular stretches of coastline, yet it remains surprisingly overlooked by international visitors. Its combination of cliffs, forests, and hidden coves creates an unforgettable first impression. From high above the shoreline, rugged mountains plunge directly into deep blue water. Narrow coastal roads cling to the cliffs while secluded beaches appear between rocky headlands, revealing scenes that seem almost untouched by modern development. The meeting of mountain and sea creates remarkable visual drama. Small fishing harbors and historic villages are scattered along the coast, their pastel-colored buildings overlooking quiet bays sheltered by towering cliffs. Rather than dominating the landscape, these communities blend naturally into the surrounding hillsides. The coastline feels authentic, peaceful, and wonderfully unhurried. As the Mediterranean light changes throughout the day, the sea reflects countless shades of blue while the cliffs glow with warm golden colors. Every viewpoint reveals another breathtaking combination of water, forest, and mountain scenery. Few places demonstrate Italy's natural diversity so beautifully. Our final destination carries us back into the rolling hills of northern Italy, where another remarkable UNESCO landscape quietly unfolds. The Prosecco Hills are far more than a famous wine-producing region. They represent centuries of careful cultivation shaped by both nature and tradition. Their beauty is immediately evident from above. Vineyards follow the contours of steep hillsides, creating elegant patterns that ripple across the countryside like waves. Between the vineyards, small forests, country lanes, and historic villages form a landscape that feels carefully balanced rather than heavily developed. The harmony between agriculture and nature is unmistakable. Church towers rise above peaceful villages while winding roads connect farms that have worked these hills for generations. Every season brings new colors, from the vibrant greens of spring to the rich golds and reds of autumn. The changing landscape reflects the rhythms of both nature and rural life. Walking through the vineyards offers constant views across valleys that stretch toward distant mountain ranges. Gentle hills rise and fall beneath an ever-changing sky, reminding visitors that Italy's countryside possesses a quiet beauty every bit as impressive as its famous monuments. Here, the journey is measured by scenery rather than distance. Looking back across these remarkable destinations, a different image of Italy begins to emerge. Beyond the celebrated landmarks lies a country shaped by volcanic cliffs, alpine meadows, hidden coastlines, mountain plateaus, and vineyard-covered hills that remain surprisingly peaceful. These landscapes reveal an Italy that many visitors never expect to find. What unites these places is not simply their beauty, but the sense of discovery they inspire. They reward those willing to venture beyond the classic itineraries and explore regions where local traditions, natural landscapes, and historic communities continue to exist in remarkable harmony. Every destination offers a deeper understanding of Italy's extraordinary diversity. Italy has always been celebrated for its history, art, and cuisine, but its landscapes tell an equally compelling story. From towering mountains to quiet valleys and dramatic coastlines, the country reveals endless variety for those prepared to leave the busiest tourist routes behind. Every region contributes another chapter to an already remarkable journey. Perhaps that is the Italy most tourists never discover. It is a country where forgotten hilltop villages rise above ancient valleys, where alpine meadows stretch beneath soaring peaks, and where quiet coastlines meet the endless Mediterranean. Beyond Rome and Venice lies an Italy that feels timeless, authentic, and